First real mic'd up Hank Burns vlog. We're out here. Beautiful day. Beautiful.
Absolutely
day.
Beautiful.
Logan Strong right there. Freshman, underclassmen today, throwing bullpens.
Yep.
You know, we're not underclassmen,
No.
but who's going to carry the logs? You know what I'm saying? Who's going to carry the...
Good, 22! Who's going to carry the boats and the logs?
Us.
Facts.
So that's why we're out here throwing today. Because, you know, non-stop bullpens tomorrow for the upperclassmen. I think Hank is zooming in on my butt or something. I don't know.
I'm actually on your face right now.
I thought you were zooming in.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why we're here today. We're throwing today. Got a Pearly. Got a nice little Pearly pastime tournament baseball.
Heck yeah.
Sponsor us, please.
Sponsors.
And yeah, we're good little throwing session in. Mic'd up.
I thought you do ASMR in this. Logan is currently taking practice swings.
Are you recording?
Very beautiful. Yeah.
Yourself doing ASMR?
Yeah. Cool. Sometimes I forget it picks up your audio too. Tanner's over there doing bands.
Yeah. Pitchers, do your bands.
It's not Zoom.
Did you ever make it back to these nuts?
This man just got caught in 4K. This man just got caught in 4K. We're following him around.
Who?
What are you guys doing? Are you guys supposed to be practicing?
I'm a minor.
Yeah, go practice, guys. What are you doing over here?
You record me without my permission.
Well, go ahead and get over there. See? Told y'all. Told
What did I
y'all.
say?
Told
What did we
y'all. Mic'd up with Hank Burns throwing session.
All right, guys. So, dude, this is actually so sick. We gotta be quiet. Because there's currently a practice going on.
Yeah, gotta be quiet.
I feel like I feel like I get dialed in when there's a camera. It's like I'm like flight.
Before, and definitely in 9th grade, I just didn't have the cameras on.
Come over here, Logan.
You're flighting June? Are you flighting June?
I'm like flight in June when the cameras are on.
Definitely, you know, if you would have caught me in like June, I definitely would have been a different outcome. Because when June comes, man, it's a different story.
See, like I would throw 90, but I did throw 90, but there wasn't cameras on me. I actually did throw 94 on a pull down. There was cameras on that though.
94 on a pull down?
94. When? Remember? 94. Yeah, remember that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That ball must have weighed like 2 ounces or something. It's going on the vlog. If there's any overthrows, overthrow counter. Hey, we're gonna do an overthrow and underthrow counter on the vlog. I'm gonna do like the ding, ding, ding.
I think we're doing pretty good right now.
I mean, I freaking would hope so. I would hope so. The weighted ball. Hey, move like outside of the open. Like move like left. Do you know how to zoom in, Logan? Sweet. Logan is such a good cameraman.
This ball's low-key a little heavy.
Not feeling.
Is this your heaviest one?
What?
Is this your heaviest one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta be fluid. This is low-key close, bro. If I missed it, bro, I might want to move this mic because if I missed
Absolute Chad right there.
That, John,
with an
like,
11-ounce weighted ball. Normal baseballs are like 6'5", 6'5", and there we go. You know we're humming the thing.
There we go.
First throw with a real
good,
baseball. Most likely gonna go over. He's ugly. Figure eights, just to open up the arm. Great.
All right, give me one more.
Is that good, or you want one more? This feels light. Third baseman right here, baby. Now I'm PO. Could logistically strike out everybody on the team. Logistically. I didn't say realistically, I said logistically. It is possible. Our team struck out. Who led our team in strikeouts? Yeah, he batted 280. Let me know. Starting over me batting 280. I batted 400. Well, 380. Sophomore year as a 15-year-old, and then now I'm 17. But this guy thinks he's so cool throwing this far in a stationary position. Thinks he's so cool. I'm throwing with the wind blowing in. Look at the flag, buddy. Look at the flag. He's out there talking to himself. He's weird.
That's what your boy. You know, I could easily sit here and be like, you know, I'm just the best, but you know, I mean, I am, but you know, I'm just playing. All right, Tan, let's go. Can't pick your audio up.
Okay.
From that far. You like that? Is that sexy? See, I'll just stand here and just throw a, okay, I gotta get it a little to the right. My arm path, you know. You guys are about to hear some very loud grunts. Hey, I'm going to full extension.
Logan. Before they think I'm trash, please show them the flag.
Logan, get this in 4K. No, it fell off my mic. Come on. Bro, that was a dot. My mic. See, sometimes you throw so hard, your mic. Just playing. I'm surprised the mic thing hasn't fallen off. Strike.
Back.
Oh my gosh. That was a bomb. Oh my God.
Hey, that was all because of the wind.
Dude, hey, the wind is blowing really far. I'll admit that.
Record the flag.
He said that was because of the flag. Probably. Tanner's also throwing really like. It was a very naff play. Very non-athletic. Mechanics to somebody who just threw that thing over the wall. That's no wind. We don't need the wind. We don't. Give me a close.
We don't need the wind?
We don't need the wind, baby. We don't need the wind. That's wind or not. Wind or not, baby. Wind or not.